Come on, look.
Hey, get your M&M fix. Peter. Can you do this? Can you do this? Here. Can you do this?
That Bob, get that paper off, buddy.
This too. Pull it all off.
Here, let me hold that. Let me hold that. Hold it right there. There you go.
More
Now
paper off.
More paper.
Tear it off.
Get the paper.
Tear it off. There's a toy in here. Jesus, Mom.
Yeah, it's inside.
Look at that face.
There's a picture of the block right here.
Tape him, I'll do it. He's doing cool stuff. What is it, Peter? What is this?
Mud pie.
Mud pie.
Oh, pie.
Blocks, you bet. We should have let Daddy open that one, huh?
Da, da, da.
Ouch. That went my...
You ready?
Yeah. No.
Grandma rocks.
No.
Mess.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa. Blocks. Here, let's hold the M&Ms so you can play with those. What do you think? Put that right there, okay?
See that?
Peter cheese.
Tree.
I think Grandpa's up too
Yeah,
now.
we thought you'd be sleeping in.
These are from Grandma and Grandpa. We gave you those. That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Just lift up. Ha, got it. Okay, no more. You can play with the blocks? Don't throw the candy, please. Thank you. Don't throw it. No, Peter.
I think I grabbed your glasses.